In this video, we're diving into the TikTok Shop affiliate program and how you can recruit creators to promote your products and track their sales. What's going on, everyone? My name is Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel, we'll cut through the fluff to help you harness new platforms and grow your e-commerce brand. Why TikTok matters for e-commerce. TikTok has exploded into a cultural phenomenon. Over half of users interact with brand content daily, and Gen Z cites it as their top platform for discovering new products. Now, unlike traditional social networks, TikTok's algorithm surfaces content based on engagement rather than follower count. This means a small creator with a great video can reach millions. TikTok's integration of shopping features like product tagging and TikTok Shop makes it possible for viewers to discover, learn about, and buy products without leaving the app. That frictionless path from interest to purchase is why affiliate marketing on TikTok has become such a hot topic. What is the TikTok Shop affiliate program? So affiliate marketing is a performance-based model where creators earn a commission for sales they generate. On TikTok, creators tag products in their videos or live streams. When a viewer clicks and buys, the creator earns a percentage of the sale. The TikTok Shop affiliate program streamlines this process by hosting your product catalog within the platform and handling payments, commissions, and tracking. Commissions typically range from 5 to 15% for physical goods and can be higher for digital products. Participating in the affiliate program also gives your products exposure to TikTok's recommendation algorithm. Because TikTok values engagement, content that drives clicks and conversions is more likely to be shown to wider audiences. This creates a virtuous cycle where affiliates promote your products, generate sales, and receive more views as a result. Eligibility and Setup. To join the TikTok Shop affiliate program as a brand, you need a TikTok business account and a verified TikTok Shop. Requirements include being at least 18 years old, passing identity verification, and listing physical products that comply with TikTok's policies. Some product categories, such as alcohol, adult goods, or regulated items, are prohibited or restricted. So make sure to check TikTok's guidelines to ensure that your products qualify. Once you've verified your account, follow these steps to set up your affiliate program. Create your TikTok Shop. Register through the Seller Center, upload your product catalog, and set shipping and return policies. Enable affiliate features. Inside the Seller Center, navigate to the affiliate settings. Turn on the option to let creators apply to promote your products. Set commission rates for each product or category. Higher commissions can attract more creators. Clarify your niche and audience. Identify who you serve and what they value. TikTok audiences follow content, not just brands. If you sell eco-friendly household items, your niche might be sustainable living. This clarity helps you find creators who also share your values and whose audiences align with your target market. Optimize your TikTok profile. A polished profile attracts both customers and potential affiliates. Use a focused bio that explains your brand's mission. Include a link in your bio using a link in bio tool to organize products, promo codes, and affiliate sign-up links. Pin top-performing videos or seasonal promotions to your profile so visitors immediately see your best content. Recruiting creators. So recruiting affiliates is about finding creators who can authentically represent your brand and drive sales. So here are some key steps in doing that. Identify potential partners. Use TikTok's creator marketplace or third-party platforms that match brands with influencers. Look for creators whose content aligns with your niche and who consistently engage their audience. Check metrics like average views, engagement rate, and existing brand collaborations. You don't need mega influencers. Micro and nano creators can deliver strong conversions because their audiences trust them. Evaluate performance indicators. Consider two dimensions: data and craft. Data refers to measurable success. Does the creator have a track record of driving sales or generating meaningful content? Craft is about how they tell stories. Do they hook the viewer quickly, demonstrate the product effectively, and create urgency? A creator who masters both often produces the best results. Avoid random sampling by seeding products to dozens of creators without evaluating fit. Create a simple onboarding process. Make it super easy for creators to join your program. Provide clear requirements, commission rates, and creative guidelines. Offer a lightweight brief that includes a goal. For example, generate clicks to our new skincare kit, a few proven hooks like nighttime routine transformation, and one must-show demo, such as applying the product. But leave room for creative freedom. This balance encourages authenticity while keeping content on track. Build relationships. affiliates aren't just a channel, they're partners. So communicate regularly, provide feedback, and recognize top performers. Consider offering higher commissions or bonuses to creators who consistently drive sales. Maintain a shared dashboard or tracker where creators can see their performance and payments. Transparency builds trust. Generating trackable links and promo codes. TikTok Shop allows you to generate unique product links for each creator. These links track clicks and sales. To create them, in Seller Center, go to Affiliate Management and select Create Campaign. Choose the product, set the commission rate, and generate a link or code for each creator. Share the link with the creator and instruct them on how to tag the product in their content. They can also place the link in their bio or comments. Promo codes can complement affiliate links, so you can assign each creator a unique discount code that their followers can enter at checkout. Promo codes help track sales when viewers shop through your website instead of TikTok Shop. Codes also give viewers an extra incentive to purchase. Content strategy for affiliates. A successful affiliate program relies on compelling content that feels like entertainment, not advertisements. So encourage your creators to hook quickly. The first few seconds determine whether viewers keep watching. Suggest eye-catching visuals or questions that pique curiosity. Show, don't sell. Demonstrations are powerful. If you sell kitchen gadgets, let creators cook a quick recipe using your product. For beauty items, they can do a before and after makeup look. Tell a story. People remember stories more than features. A creator should share a personal anecdote about how your product solved a problem. Use trends. Incorporate popular songs, challenges, or formats. TikTok's algorithm favors trending content. Just ensure the trend matches your brand. Integrate links naturally. Product tags and clickable links should feel like a part of the content. Creators can mention link in bio or point on the screen to the shopping bag icon instead of tacking the link at the end. Tracking performance and optimizing. Monitoring results is essential to scaling your affiliate program. Some key metrics include click-through rate or CTR. This is how many viewers tap the product link compared to total views. Conversion rate. This is the percentage of clicks that result in a purchase. A low conversion rate may mean the product isn't appealing to that audience, or the call to action needs work. Revenue per video. Compare how much revenue each piece of content generates. Use this to identify which creators or formats perform best. Affiliate sales by creator and campaign. Break down revenue by individual and product to see who's driving the most value. Engagement trends. Pay attention to audience comments and shares. These insights reveal what resonates and where to improve. With this data, adjust commission rates, select new products to promote, or refine your creator roster. For example, if short unboxing videos convert better than long tutorials, encourage creators to focus on unboxings. Common mistakes and how to avoid them. Ignoring TikTok rules. TikTok has community guidelines and a health score system. Negative reviews or policy violations can hurt your ability to collaborate with creators. So educate yourself and your affiliates about those rules. Neglecting systems for scale. Managing dozens of creators manually quickly becomes chaotic. So use influencer management tools or spreadsheets to track applications, approvals, payments, and performance. Poor product market fit. Don't assume your best-selling item will thrive on TikTok. Products that solve a clear problem and demonstrate well on video perform best. Verify demand before investing heavily in the program. Signs of a healthy affiliate program. So you want to look for these signals that your program is on the right track. Quality creators apply. You're receiving interest from creators who align with your niche and also produce high quality content. High sample acceptance rate. When you offer products to creators, at least 3% accept and produce content. Strong views to sales ratio. Your videos generate a proportional number of sales relative to views, indicating good fit. Cross-platform lift. If you notice a spike in sales on your website or other channels after TikTok promotions, your affiliate content is driving brand awareness beyond the platform. Here's an example campaign for a beauty product launch. Suppose you're launching a new vitamin C serum. You start by clarifying your target audience, people interested in glowing skin and anti-aging solutions. You set a commission rate of 15% to attract high-performing creators. You select micro-influencers who consistently produce skincare content with high engagement. You provide each creator with a brief. Show the product in a morning routine. Emphasize the lightweight texture and mention the antioxidant benefits. One creator uses a trending sound and demonstrates applying the serum while describing how it fades dark spots. She tags the product in the video and includes her promo code in the caption. Viewers click the link in her bio or the orange shopping cart, and you see a big spike in sales. The creator's authenticity and the simple demonstration make the content feel less like an ad and more like a recommendation from a friend. After the campaign campaign, you review metrics and discover that videos using a before and after convert better than static product shots. You adjust your briefs accordingly for your next batch of creators. You also notice that one creator drove traffic but few sales. You lower the commission for that individual and allocate more budget to top performers. So, TikTok's affiliate program offers a unique blend of entertainment and commerce. By setting up your shop correctly, recruiting the right creators, and tracking performance, you can build an engine that drives sales and broadens your brand's reach. So focus on authentic storytelling, clear incentives, and data-driven optimization. Start small, test different formats, and scale what works. With the right approach, TikTok can become a powerful revenue channel for your e-commerce business. And if you need some help getting started with some ad credits, we've got a link for you down in the description. When you click on that link, it's going to bring you to this page right here, where you can go ahead and supercharge your ads and claim up to $6,000 in ad credits to power your TikTok shop. Again, we'll leave that link for you down in the description below. Now, do know that this is an affiliate link, which means we do earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. It's these commissions that really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using it, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on the Ecom Mastery channel, we're dedicated to helping you succeed with e-commerce by providing tips, strategies, and insights to grow your online business. So be sure and subscribe. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.